How do you respond after being served a divorce petition? Imagine opening your mail and finding a divorce petition inside. It can feel overwhelming, but knowing what to do next is key to protecting your rights. When you are served a divorce petition, you have a set amount of time to respond. This response is called an answer. It is a formal document you file with the court that states whether you agree or disagree with what your spouse is asking for. The first step is to carefully read the entire petition. Understand what your spouse wants regarding property, children, and support. Ignoring it can lead to a default judgment, meaning the court might decide in your spouse's favor without your input. Next, find out your deadline to respond. Deadlines differ by state or country but usually range from 20 to 30 days after service. For example, in Texas, you have until 10 a.m. on the Monday after 20 days have passed. In California, you generally have 30 days from personal delivery. Missing this deadline can result in losing your chance to contest or negotiate. After knowing your deadline, prepare your answer. Fill out the required legal forms, often called an answer or response to petition. This document allows you to admit or deny each allegation and state your position on issues like custody or property. Be clear and specific about what you agree or disagree with. Once completed, file your answer with the court clerk. You can usually do this in person, by mail, or electronically, depending on your court's rules. Remember to serve a copy of your answer on your spouse or their attorney. This is important to give them notice of your position. If you have different requests, such as wanting custody or property arrangements that differ from what your spouse asked for, you can file a counter-petition along with your answer. This lets the court know what you want. If you feel unsure or your case involves children or assets, consider consulting a family law attorney. They can help you understand your rights and guide you through the process. Keep in mind, if you do not respond on time, your spouse might get a default divorce judgment that includes all their requests. Some courts offer free classes or resources to help you understand the process better. If you receive a motion or other documents instead of the initial petition, different rules may apply. If you miss your deadline, you might be able to ask the court for permission to file late, but acting quickly is important. Responding promptly and correctly is vital to protect your legal rights and have a say in how the divorce proceeds. It involves reading the petition carefully, meeting deadlines, filling out the right forms, serving your spouse, and possibly making additional requests if needed.